What if one decision could completely change your life? Not buying a house, but buying a whole cluster of cottages, including a business in a quiet Greek village. Could this become a small guest house, a cafe, a new life in the sun? Today, we're imagining exactly what might be possible in this real-life listing. Recently on our channel, we've been showing you just how easy it is to reimagine an old property in whatever style you choose using modern AI image design packages. As we move through this week's episode, we'll be taking that to a new level by using video to create a fully immersive experience. Let's head to the listing. Now, this sprawling property sits on a large plot and comprises many buildings, such as this detached garage, which we've reimagined here with stone cladding and a pastel colour palette of olive mixed with warm, neutral tones. One of the unique features of this listing is the small business that has recently operated as a small summer cafe, with plenty potential to expand or branch out. The elevated position means that every part of this property enjoys stunning views across the surrounding countryside. This area really does lend itself to becoming a social gathering space, with maybe some tables dotted around and people enjoying wine and canapes in the evening sun. The main residence and the guest house are all accessed via the spacious communal courtyard. There is generous living space with a total of 170 square metres available to use internally. The building sits on a plot size of 3,400 square metres, and every building enjoys stunning viewpoints. The stone-built buildings really feel like they belong in the landscape, and with a little TLC, could really become something incredible. The communal courtyard and the covered space below really feels like it would lend itself to an incredible outdoor kitchen and dining experience. The guest house is currently fully functioning, meaning that the potential to begin earning money straight away is definitely a possibility. This listing also comes with the option to purchase up to 4,000 square metres of additional adjacent land. So expansion into something bigger is a genuine option here. There are currently 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on this site, providing plenty of options for a growing family or a small B&B style business. So now that we've seen the whole listing, let's sit back and enjoy dreaming of what it could become.